What's the meaning of Asia? Asia. Asia.
Asia. Asia. Asia is the world's largest and most populous continent located primarily in the Eastern Hemisphere. It covers an area of 44,579,000 square kilometers and is home to over 4.6 billion people, accounting for approximately 60% of the world's current human population. The continent is culturally and historically diverse, with thousands of ethnic groups and languages spoken throughout its regions. Asia is also home to several major religions including Islam, Buddhism, Hinduism, and Christianity. Its economies vary from highly developed nations like Japan and South Korea to newly industrialized countries like China and India.